host for Dan and welcome to my channel. So long time no vlog. Dahil I was been very busy for the past couple of months and since today is holiday, so I have nothing else to do. While hindi ako busy, sa pag-isipan ko mag-vlog ng another content. And let's go! As you can see, I have here 2 sets of bag. This is a shoulder bag and a backpack. So these are my 2 bags every day. And this bag is a purple. This is from Tupperware products. This is from Tupperware. Okay, it has a name here, Tupperware. Okay, so this is from Norberto Cahitan. So what's inside of this shoulder bag is, of course, we have here a pouch. I don't know, this is a what's in this bag? So this bag is, I don't know what's the name of the bag, but it's like a mini bag. Actually, inside my bag are bags. So these are many bags. So what's inside my bag? This is an EO bag. So bag ito ng my eyeglass bag of my glasses. This is from EO. And inside my EO bag is of course my sling, Presbyterian Theological College faculty. And then wala nang ID because I removed my ID and I transferred my ID to my wallet. And then my glass case. So this is EO, from EO. Okay, this is the case of my eyeglasses. Okay, and then next is my wallet. Okay, so my wallet. And for our next content, what's inside my wallet now? Okay, next time. And then actually what's inside my bag are many bags, pouch. Okay, so this pouch here is my chargers. Okay, so naguba na akong pouch. And then we have here my phone charger, and then a laptop charger. This is the charger of my laptop, and an earphone, and then a keyboard cover, and then a hair tie, pungos or baa, and then a flash drive, and an OTG. So if you don't know what OTG is, this is where you're going to connect your flash drive and then connect this one to your phone. And then a laptop brush and a laptop vacuum. And this is my laptop cleaner from Shopee. Okay, these are all inside my shoulder bag. Okay, my shoulder bag. And then let's go to my backpack. Okay, so what's inside my backpack? This is my laptop bag. This is an Acer bag. We have here a mini ring light. Okay, so this is a mini ring light. This ring light is chargeable. You're going to connect this one to your laptop. Okay, and you will going to plug this using the cord of your charger and then connect it to your laptop. And then we also have here a BioFlow for headache. Okay, BioFlow and Psyllium fiber. Psyllium.
Oh!
Psyllium fiber, not Psyllium. This is Psyllium fiber from Romerta Pordan. Okay? And next is a bag raincoat, a bag cover. So it's like a raincoat if I'm going to go home because we're having a long distance travel and then I'm bringing with me with my laptop. I'm going to use this bag cover. And next is a keychain. This was given to me by Manites. And then an extra sheet of bond paper. Okay, napay resibo. Okay, this is for printing purposes only. Okay, and then of course, because this is an Acer bag, what's inside of my Acer bag is of course my Acer laptop. Okay, my Acer laptop. And then some documents here. Okay, some documents, PSA, photocopy of PSA. Okay, and what's next is a cord. Okay, this is the cord for the ring light. Okay, this is the cord for the ring light. And then, leggings. Okay, my leggings for our volleyball every Friday. And then, what's next? My kit. Okay, beauty kit bag. Okay, this is like a beauty kit. Basta bag siya. So, what's inside of my beauty kit bag is, of course, I have here 2 sets of sudlay. And then, a mirror on the wall. Okay, mirror. Gamay nga mirror. And, I have here a cotton buds from Sanicare. Okay, cotton buds from Sanicare. And then, a eyebrow grooming kit. So, this is a eye and brow brush. Okay, this is a brush from Color Collection Tupperware. Okay, and next is my color bar. So, what is color bar? It is an eyeshadow. Okay, this is an eyeshadow from Watson's. Okay, eyeshadow siya. Pero water na siya. And next is, of course, we have here a sanitizing gel and an alcohol. This is from Green Cross sanitizing gel and alcohol. Okay, and then 2 sets of pressed powder. Okay, pressed powder. We have here black and white. Okay, so black and white pressed powder from Color Collection Tupperware. Okay, this is Gluta Whitening and this one is All Day Wear. Okay, this is from Color Collection Tupperware. And then, we have here a eyebrow and eyeliner gel. Okay, eyebrow and eyeliner gel from Shawel. Okay, so, tingnan niyo siya. Okay, this is a gel. And this one here is a pomade. Okay, pomade siya. It's from Watson's. And then, we have here a baby powder. Okay, baby powder from Color Fun, Color Collection, baby powder. And next is we have here our Color Collection Instant Radiance. This is a cream blush. This is from Color Fun, from Tupperware. Okay, this is a cream blush. So, nga na siya, cream blush. Next is we have here a lip and cheek tint. Okay, lip and cheek tint. So, this is dual purposes for your lip and for your cheek. And next is I have here a liquid lipstick. Okay, a liquid lipstick. This is from Tupperware. Okay, this is from Tupperware. Okay, this is Ivana Amber. Ivana Blanca Amber. So, ang color niya is, it's like a nude color. Okay, it matches to the color of your lips, to the color of your skin. And then next is another liquid lipstick. This is Ivana Blanca Twig. Ivana Blanca Twig. It is a matte. It looks like a matte, but it's not a matte. This is just a liquid lipstick. And the next is we have here Marshag Maroon, yung color. Okay, liquid lipstick. Yung color is maroon. And next is this is Ivana Blanca. Its color is also red. Okay, humot siya. Okay, this is red. Okay, these are from Tupperware. From Tupperware brands. And next is my lipstick. Okay, my lipstick from Color Collection. Okay, from Color Collection. From Tupperware. Color maroon. Matte siya. Matte. Color maroon. Dark ang color. And next is we have red. matte lipstick. And then this one is also red. Red yapon siya. This is matte lipstick from Color Collection Tupperware. Okay, pamain na. Pamain sa may gusto dyan. Lipstick number 3. We have here another lipstick. This is from Tupperware also. And its color is, this is premium lipstick from Color Collection Tupperware. And next is, I have here a Color Collection from Tupperware. Lipstick yapon ni siya. I have so many lipstick, pero wala gigamit. This is color maroon. Okay? Slim ni siya, slim type of lipstick. Okay? This is all the wear from Color Collection. Next is, we have here color pink siya. Another one is, this is color red. Okay, color red. Next is, we have here from Maybelline New York. This is from Watson's. I got this from Watson's. This is Maybelline. They are matte liquid lipstick. So its color is, its number is 2 to 5. Okay, this is from Maybelline. It's color nude. And then its number is 70. Amazonian. Okay, from Maybelline. It is color nude. Okay, it matches to the color of your skin. And next is, of course, we have here a lip balm. Okay, a lip balm. This is from Color Collection Tupperware. And then a clear mascara, because I'm not fan of the black mascara. I'm using clear mascara because it's clean. Dili siya hugaw. So this is from Natasha True Beauty. Natasha True Beauty. Clear mascara. And then, this is an eyebrow pencil. Okay, this is the pencil and its brush. Okay, pero wala na siya, empty na siya. I'm just using the brush na lang. And next is, of course, our puller. Para sa mga excess kilay. Okay, so I think that's all. Wala na siya. Naguba ang handle sa kit, bag kit. Naguba na siya tungod sa iyang kabugat. So I think that's all for my bag kit or my beauty bag kit. So if you notice, I have here so many different colors of lipstick from Tupperware. These liquid lipstick are from Tupperware, Ivana Blanca, and then from Color Collection Tupperware also. Okay, from Tupperware. Ow. Okay, and I have here the three slim type na lipsticks yan. So if you notice, I have so many lipstick. I have 2 sets of pressed powder. Okay, I have 2 sets of pressed powder. And I'm not promoting the Tupperware products here. I'm not promoting Tupperware products here. If you want to see more Tupperware products, just go to Tupperware brands fronting Fire Station, Dumaguete City. So that is located at the 2nd floor building. You're very welcome to visit and discover their beauty products. Okay, these Tupperware products are given to me free. This is from Tupperware manager, Tupperware secretary, and of course from Norberto Cahino. Shout out Norberto Cahino. Okay, you can wear this every day. So every day lain ng color, any color. You can wear any color, any different color every day. Pero di siya mahulog isang kada adlaw pa nimo gamiton. Okay, most of my lipstick here are new. Okay? New. Kaya kapilaran na akong nagamit. So, pag-upa sila. Okay? And, I think that's all for today. That's all for my vlog. And, see you on my next content na. Thank you for watching this video. And, please click like, share, and subscribe for more updates. That's all for today. And, have a great day, everybody. Stay safe and healthy. See you on my next vlog.